How to enable dark mode in NFL Sunday Ticket app. Turning on dark mode in the NFL Sunday Ticket app is quick and can make your viewing experience much easier on the eyes. When you open the app, head into Settings menu, usually found by tapping your profile icon or the gear symbol. From there, look for the Appearance or Display option. Inside, you will see the choice to switch between light mode, dark mode, or sometimes even system default. Selecting dark mode will instantly change the interface to darker shades. If you prefer your app to match your device overall theme, simply set it to system default, and then it will automatically switch between light and dark depending on your phone settings. For iPhone users, you can also enable dark mode at the system level by going to Settings, Display and Brightness, and click on Dark. On Android, the process is similar. Go to Settings, Display, and click on Dark Theme. Once it's enabled, the app will be much more comfortable to use in low light conditions, and it even helps conserve battery on OLED screens. This is perfect for those late night highlights after the game. So that's all for today. Thank you.